Why are regulators still letting contaminated medicines slip through? Are you terrified that a simple cough syrup could kill your child? In India, tests found Coldriff made by Sreesan Pharma. It contained diethylene glycol, an industrial solvent. Levels were nearly 500 times over safe limits. That toxin has been linked to deaths across South Asia, and across Africa as well. Hundreds of kids have died since 2018. Inspections at Sreesan exposed raw chemicals sourced from paint shops. Inspectors found no qualified chemists on staff. They noted pest infestations at the facility, and hundreds of regulatory violations were recorded. WHO praises India's export testing rules, but it warns of a dangerous gap in domestic oversight. Domestic syrups often aren't subjected to the same checks. Officials call it moral negligence. They call it criminal negligence. Bottom line, stronger domestic testing is essential, and strict accountability for manufacturers. Transparent, fast recalls must be enforced. These measures aren't optional, they're life-saving.